quick changeovers. I talk a lot about quick changeovers, but if you haven't noticed, I kind of bias mills. In this video, let's talk about lathe. One of the fastest changeovers in the world of turning is going to be Collet Chucks. Like we have here from Royal Products, they've got their quick grip work holding solutions. Right off the top on the PDF, you're going to notice some of these highlights: 10-second collet changes, 10 thou total encompassing run out, or better parallel grip collets with a variety range, most compact chucks in the industry, in stock for same day shipping. These are all great points to keep in mind. I'm going to go over with you some of the key points you need to be aware of when you're looking to select out a Collet Chuck. Personally, I am biased towards Royal because of the quality and the support from their staff. And that's who I'm going to be walking you through today. When you're looking at a Collet Chuck, the three main types to consider right off the top are the AccuLength, the pull to stop, and the pullback method. AccuLength is just as it says. The way that it compresses on the collet stops the material exactly where it is. This is great for second operation. Pulled to a stop if you're running single piece components or you've got a stop located on your machine turret. These are great ways to push against that stop and then stop exactly there. And then you've got your pullback style, which is great for those first off operations where you know you're going to have some variability on that front face location. Typically bar fed, not a lot of other options. There's no stopper available in the pullback solution. Of course, they've got their 10-second collet changes. They've got a gun. They have a pneumatic or a manual option, depending on the frequency of your setup. The next 3 points to consider once you decide on the style that you're gonna want is if you want compact, ultra compact, or extended length. Points to consider around this is really how many turrets are you running? What are your tool lengths and your tool stickouts, as these all need to be factored in. The good news is you're not alone as you factor these through, because you can trust the team at Royal to set you up with all of the best solutions for your application. Now, they've got a completely sealed design with high accuracy. That's some of the highlights. I'm gonna put a link to this PDF down below so you can check out in further detail. You'll notice here as you're looking through spindle type. So your spindle nose is going to be a key determining factor. Now, if you don't see yours on this list, there's nothing to worry because you can have adapter plates to be made. Often they're off the shelf from Royal as well, but you need to know, is it one of the stock solutions or are you going to need an adapter plate for your application? Now, I know we said we're focusing on lathes, but just in case you're watching this video, there are mill solutions as well for holding your round stock either on your table or your rotary, and risers for all the shops out there with 5-axis. And of course, there is custom solutions available. Now, when it comes to their collets, you have metric and imperial sizes, you have serrated, you have smooth. You also have hex, square, and emergency machinable collets. One of the really cool features is if you are running extruded work on a mill turn center or a lathe, that you can get that extruded form made custom into a collet, either by buying one of the emergency and sending it out to an EDM shop, or sending over the solid file to Royal and ordering it custom made for your solution. And if you're thinking, okay, Arthur, but I have smaller work pieces, I'm really just looking for one of those low profile, smaller setups, don't worry, Royal has you covered there as well. Something I didn't mention above, the size of the bar that you're looking to hold really does need to be considered when you're selecting your chuck. Many of the common spindle noses are available in different collet types and different size ranges. As you're looking to purchase a new machine or looking to upgrade machinery already on your shop floor, some of the key things to review this video: you're going to need to know your spindle nose. You're going to need to know the size of the bar stock you're running. Hey, you got a custom profile outside of round? Let us know that as well. Are you going to need a ultra compact, compact, or extended length? Maybe one of those low profile holders. Coming to table with all of those variables is going to make it a very quick conversation to ensure that you get the best solution for your shop. And until next time, keep your spindles turning and earning.